everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we are doing a comparison between OTTER AI and Fireflies. Now let's get started, because we want to see which of these two AI meeting assistants is best in 2025. So let's look at OTTER AI first. Now OTTER AI, as you can see on the screen right now, OTTER AI is like having your assistant in every meeting. It listens, transcribes, and even summarizes key points in real time. Think of it as a second brain for capturing everything important, so you don't have to ever miss a detail with AI meeting notes. It helps you join Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams meetings to automatically take notes, allowing everyone to participate freely. Follow along live on the web or on iOS or Android app. Now, it helps to also condense your 1 hour meeting to 30 seconds. If you can't remember, it will generate a 30 second summary, keeping everyone informed. It helps you skip the tedious task of composing action item emails. So it helps you to skip the tedious task of composing action item emails. So automatically it captures and assigns action items from the meeting with complete context of the discussion, keeping everyone aligned on the next task. So it has so many nice parts. It is for sales, extract sales insights, writes follow-up emails, and pushes call notes to Salesforce and HubSpot. When it comes to businesses, it empowers everyone to engage and be more productive in meetings with real-time automated notes, summaries, and action items. When it comes to marketing teams, it automatically assigns action items from all your cross-functional team meetings, helping everyone stay aligned. And when it comes to recruiting teams, auto transcribes and summarizes interviews, reducing the time and effort required to evaluate candidates. When it comes to media, it helps you to tell the stories that matter through automated real-time transcription. And when it comes to education, auto provides faculty and students with real-time captions and notes for in-person and virtual lectures, classes, or meetings. So it helps to automate workflows to increase productivity for your team. You can see by assigning action items, post to Slack integrates with your workflow. And when it comes to assigning action items, it automatically identifies and assigns action items to teammates, saving the meeting leader time while keeping the team aligned on the next step. When it comes to post to Slack, it automatically shares meeting notes and summaries with teammates via email and in the team Slack channel. It also integrates with tools your team uses every day, including Salesforce, HubSpot, Ignite, Amazon S3, Snowflake, and Microsoft SharePoint. And you want to read more articles on it? Here they are. Now let's look at the pricing. When it comes to the pricing and the plans, we have the monthly and the yearly plan where you save up to 51%. So I'm checking out the yearly plan. For basic, we have the free one, which is the easiest way to try auto. Here are all the things you can get under it, like AI meeting assistant record, transcription and summary in real time, transcription and summary in English, French, or Spanish. Then we have the OTTER AI chat, where you chat live with OTTER and teammates and get answers to meeting questions. We also have adding of teammates to your workspace. It joins Zoom's MST and Google Meet to automatically write and share notes. Then you have 300 monthly transcription minutes, 30 minutes per conversation, import and transcribe free audio or video files lifetime per user. This is for the free version, so all the great things you can get. Then we also have the paid version where we pay Pro. This is the Pro plan, $8.33 per user per month, billed annually. We have the business plan, which is the best value plan. You pay $20 per user per month annually. And then we have the enterprise, where you schedule a demo and get advanced security, control, and support for organizations. You have a lot also under it. That is for pricing. Now you can compare the prices right here, and you want to start for free, click on start for free. Next we're going to look at is Fireflies. Now when it comes to Fireflies, it helps to automate your meeting notes. It helps your team transcribe, summarize, search, and analyze voice conversation. So you can get that for free or request a demo. So what you can get is automated meeting notes, action items, and transcripts. It helps to transcribe and summarize meetings across Google Meet, Teams, Zoom, and more. Easily invite Fireflies note taker to take 2 meetings on your calendar. Upload audio files, capture in-person meetings, and transcribe phone calls made using dialers. Fireflies also helps to capture 40 videos and audio recordings along with the AI-powered notes. So you can find also, this is another feature, you can find anything with AI-powered search. Review a 1-hour meeting in 5 minutes. With one click, see action items, tasks, questions, and other key metrics. Filter and listen to key topics discussed in your meetings. You can see the filters. Next, you can collaborate with your co-workers, so it has good collaboration. Add comments, pins, and reactions to specific parts of conversations. You can see it here. Create sound bites and easily share the most memorable moments from your meetings. You can also share meeting notes to your favorite collaboration app like Slack, Notion, Asana, and more. You can analyze meetings using conversation intelligence to track speaker talk time, sentiment, monologues, and other key matrices to coach teammates. You can see average question asked by each speaker talk time, analyzes it all. Then you can also identify objections, competitors, and other topic trackers that you can customize. Also, you can measure performance and improve your sales, recruiting, and internal process. So get started today. Don't forget, it also helps to automate your workflow from meetings. So let Fireflies fill out your CRM. That is the AI assistant logs. That is the AI assistant logs, call notes, activities, and recordings under the appropriate contacts in your CRM. You can also create tasks with voice commands in Asana, Trello, and Monday.com. You can keep your team in the loop by instantly sharing meeting recaps to Slack, Notion, Google Docs, and other collaboration apps. This gives you real-time knowledge base for your entire team. All your conversations in one place. Fireflies creates a self-updating knowledge base from all your voice conversations. You can see it here. Easily organize meetings into channels. Organize meetings recap by department and make information quickly discoverable. You can also set custom privacy controls to ensure only the meeting information that you want is visible to appropriate team members. So it is built for every knowledge worker across your team. You can get started in sales, engineering, recruiting, marketing, education, media, and podcasting. So many great things you can get. So let's start from sales. You can use Fireflies to fill out your CRM, coach reps, and close deals faster. When it comes to engineering, you can automate your engineering meetings from note-taking documentation to follow-up actions. When it comes to recruiting, you can hire better candidates with better screening and seamless hands-off during the hiring process. Marketing, you can understand the voice of your customer to transform marketing initiatives. Education, it helps to simplify taking notes in the classroom or during virtual teaching sessions. And media and podcasting, you can get transcripts and highly accurate closed captions for all your media content. So capture and transcribe meetings in multiple ways. You can get started. So we have Fireflies AI note taker, there is an API upload files, Chrome extension, and the rest of them. So these are all the benefits. These are the plans. So when it comes to plans, we have the free plan, the pro plan, the business, and the enterprise. Now let's look at the free plan. So free plan forever. You get started, you get unlimited transcriptions, limited AI summaries, 800 minutes of storage and seats, you'll be able to record Zoom, GM's meeting, Microsoft Teams, plus more. Transcription for 69 plus languages. You can be able to search within the meetings, playbacks, comments and reactions, clip out moments and sound bites, global search, upload 3 public channels, domain capture, Fireflies mobile app. These are the things you enjoy in the free version. There's so many things, and then these are the other plans and what you can enjoy under each of them. So we've checked out everything. Let's look at their cons. Now, when it comes to fireflies, the con is that accuracy can dip with accents. The background noise can be a problem. Yes, when you're having your meetings, the background noise can be a problem, and the interface can feel overwhelming and relies on a stable internet connection. While when it comes to also, the cons is that background noise can also be an issue. It can sometimes misinterpret words and doesn't capture emotions or tone. It relies on a good internet connection too. So let us look at the final verdict for both of them. Now, what's our final verdict? We did a lot of research, and this is our final verdict on it. So let's start with this. You see, when you want to choose the best meeting assistant software to transcribe meetings, it comes down to your individual needs. However, after extensive testing of these two top transcription tools, we believe that Fireflies edges out OTTER AI. Why should you listen to us? Well, we've been in the trenches with battled with meeting overload and struggles to keep up with notes. And Firefly's deeper conversation analysis, broader integration, and overall robust feature set makes it the better choice for most users. If you're looking to elevate your meetings and truly streamline your workflow, we recommend giving Fireflies a try. And if you want to use both, we are free to do that. Try out both of them and see the one you like before purchasing a subscription.